What's going on, guys? Enderstyle here, and today we're going to be playing Minecraft. And we're actually going to be exploding like 1 million TNT. That's our goal. So we're going to do / wand here, just in case. Okay, let's see. We're going to try H sphere TNT. Okay. We're gonna do, let's see. Let's do like 100. See how that goes. Oh my god. Okay, this is lagging for sure. I did way too much here. Okay. Oh my god. This is humongous. Oh my god. Look how much TNT there is. Oh my god. Oh my god. How? How does it do that? I don't get how it does that. But at least we didn't have to use flint and steel. Look how big this thing is. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just this huge sphere here. We did so much here. This is humongous. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is... Oh my god, there's even an ocean. And we're gonna see the damage. Okay. Let's see here. Oh my god. Look how much there is gone. What is it? Night vision. My god. Oh no, it's nothing. A little. Whoa. Oh my god. There's so much. Oh, I think I might know what I paused. There's like some kind of lava. Oh my god. There's even diamonds right here. There's so many diamonds. Oh my god. So much bedrock here. Okay, we just made it go to bedrock level. There's still some right here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. This is from the ocean. Or the swamp. Oh my god. Oh wow. This looks so cool. There's even a shipwreck right here. I don't know if it'll get blown up. There's just so much. Hope you like and subscribe to this video and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. Oh my god. This is... Oh my god. Imagine doing parkour. Oh god, it's loud. It's loud. I don't know what's going on here. This is just too big. 1 million TNT would probably go like over here. Like right where I am maybe. I don't know. It looks so cool though. Wait, what? 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 Oh. Oh god, it's like raining TNT right there. It's raining TNT, sort of. Oh my god. It's like TNT appearing. What if I do this? If I could do this, this will just... I could do that. It'll not clear all TNT. It'll just clear the ones that have been united. Okay, we should cut out. I just killed a bunch of entities. And nothing will explode. So let's just get flint and steel. Reignite it. Let's just cut out some parts here. So then... Cut. What? That did almost nothing. Let's just go all the way over here. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It went all the way over here. Oh my god, look at this mushroom thing right here. Oh my god. Why not make it half? Half mushroom. Nice ravine. If this was survival, building an entire sphere like that, that'd be, really insane. It would, okay, here's the diamond. How many diamonds is this? It's probably 8 or something. Okay, how do I get that? How did I get that when I didn't even kill a single mob? I don't even... Okay, this is a vein of 8. Pretty good, though. Check on the TNT. Oh, God. Oh, my God. It's like flying sand. This would probably lag my computer if I just did an H-sphere. Okay, the TNT's probably done exploding already. I don't know. If we can... Oh, it won't. It won't. I don't think it'll explode. It will not. Oh my god. It won't do it. Okay, there. And now we'll get the TNT exploding again. Wait, what? That didn't do anything. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you had an awesome day. And leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. Peace.